they are rotating, I guess of this way, they are rotating on this aluminum plate. So the rider starts riding the whole prop with the wings closed inside my prop outer ring here. The wings are all closed down. They're all lying flat within inside of the prop ring, the ducted part of my helicopter prop wing. Almost lost what I was going to say here. Okay, so they're all lying flat. It's all spinning around, and the push rods are holding the wings flat in the inside. Once the revolutions per minute of the prop wing reaches the right RPM, the rider is going to pull on the collective. This is the cable that's going to be hooked to the collective. When he pulls on the collective, this bike derailleur, which is holding these wheels up on the spinning plate. So this is spinning, the aluminum plate with all these push rods, and there's 2 per prop wing, so that's 8 times 2 is 16 of these push rods all spinning around, okay, and are on this 1 foot plate here. It's 1 foot by 3/4 of an inch, and it's splined as well, because we don't want this moving and we don't want this moving, twisting at all on the prop. So we've splined all these, and they are all spinning around, and they're all sitting on top of these high-speed wheels. When the prop reaches the right RPM, the derailleur cable or the collective cable is pulled. It starts lowering this platform, this wheel lift platform. As the wheel lift platform starts to drop, and it doesn't have to drop very far, okay, what happens is this little pivot plate here turns, and it pushes up on the front push rod, and it pulls down on the back push rod. And as it does that, what it does is it takes the main prop spar and it turns it. And that is what is going to give us our prop wings turning into the wind. Now, there's going to be a lot of things that we're going to have to adjust and figure out. One of the things that we have just recently changed, and I'm going to do it on the very next video so that we'll keep it in direct proportion to what is happening, is when I first created this drawing that you see here, and you can see on all this, I had a silicone sleeve in here, and I was going to take this 3/4 inch shaft and run it right into my hub. I realized I had a problem by doing this, because if I take a shaft and run it in there, I'm going to have a real hard time making my adjustment. And so then I said, okay, what I need to do is I need to put in a vertical flex hole. I need to make my hole vertical so it'll go up and down, so I can adjust my hub up and down, so I can adjust my wing up and down. But I realized that still wasn't good enough. So now on the next video I'm going to show you, I'm going to set it up and show you how we have now a new hub configuration that we have designed for this particular section of the craft.